We're checking out the elephants. Apparently there's new...
Oh, look at the front! Like, I got it!
Babar! Ah. I'm watching the bull elephant push the other one around. Yeah. That's not very nice.
That's why his tusks are cut.
Yeah, I would think so. Trim him down a little bit, I'll say. Mom! No, no, no. Not this day.
Hurry! Oh my gosh, Courtney, hurry!
Forgive me. This one was definitely digging in the mud.
Yeah, went into the water and then just splashed. He was rolling around.
Yes, I know, Marcia.
How do you know about one? Yeah, I heard you.
What he's looking for.
My little Dexter's nose finger.
Yeah. Doesn't that look fun? Yeah.
Ah, food.
Yep.
Oh, I can see. I'm gonna get some of that. I'm gonna get me some of that. Yes, I will. Oh, yes, I will. Stuff on.
You see the baby in the background?
No, oh, okay. Food. I will put that in my mouth. Yes, I will. Here it comes. Say Here he goes. He's got it. He's got it. He's going for it. He's going for it. I'm going to hold that right in my mouth right there. Oops. That was too hard. I'm going to the next one. The one was really pushing the other one around. It was like, yeet. That's not very nice. Oh, there's one on the other side of him. I didn't even see.
From my butt. From my butt.
I think it's kiss my ass.
From my butt.
Or kiss my ass. Kiss my ass.
You okay? Wow. Mommy, I put my head under. Yes, Clancy. Now come here so I can dry you up. No, I want to go back in. He's scratching his back on his mommy.
That's the matriarch. He really has dummied up to the matriarch.
Oh, it's not his mommy?
No, she's the oldest. She's the one who.
No, but this one is not his mother. Okay.
But he learned very quickly that she's the one who really rules the roost. If there are any problems,
She's just hanging out. Look at her.
That's because she hangs out and looks cool.
I'm just hanging out.
He's been digging holes. They said I had never seen him dig a hole. Thank you.
How old is he?
He was born February 7th last year. So he's a little over a year old.
Oh, wow.
His birthday's is after mine.
Oh, is it? He's about 15.
Someone's playing.
Attention please, all zoo guests. Attention please, all zoo guests. Can Robert and Christine, owners of a tan 08 Toyota, come to guest relations at the main